Welcome to my blog, Crafternoon with Friends. So my latest blog post is at the top, and I have to say I've had a blog for many years now, and it was silent for a long time. So I'm still playing around with all the settings, but what I am still doing at least is crafting. So I've incorporated some videos and some failures, because I think people like to see that kind of thing. And then as you scroll down, you're going to see some of my other assignments for the class. And as we keep going, you're actually going to see a whole bunch of old posts down here at the bottom. Then finally, I decided to put the menu at the bottom for time, just for the time's sake being. And you can find out more about my, well, there's my Twitter feed. And you can actually find out more about my blog and where it came from, how you can participate, and then specifically the terms and conditions. Really, the important part is it's Crafternoons with friends, not Crafternoons with jerks. So thanks.